Welcome to my channel. In this video, we have to provide a solution to this logarithmic equation here on the board. We have to solve log into 3 to the power of 2x plus 72 base 3 equals 4. Here, we have to find the value of x that will satisfy this given equation right here. Now, I put here solution. I bring the question down here. We have log into 3 to the power of 2x plus 72 base 3 equals 4. Here, the first step you need to be considered is to transform this equation to an index form or initial form. Now, recall that if you have log a to base b equals c, that a equals b to the power of c. Here is the principle that we are going to apply right here. And if you apply this, the equation becomes 3 to the power of 2x plus 72 equals 3 to the power of 4. Now, the next step to be considered is to express 3 to the power of 4. Then now, if you do that, the equation becomes 3 to the power of 2x plus 72, 3 to the power of 4, that gives us 81. Now, the next step to be considered is for us to collect like terms, or we simply subtract 72 from both sides of the equation. And the equation becomes 3 to the power of 2x equals 81 minus 72. When we simplify this further, we have here that 3 to the power of 2x equals 81 minus 72, that gives us 9. Then the next step here is for us to express both sides of the equation in the same base. Here we have a common base of 3, and here we have 9. 9 can also be expressed in base 3. Then as such, we are going to have here 3 to the power of 2x equals 3 to the power of 2. That gives us 9. Now, seeing the bases are the same, we are going to equate the powers. Then the equation becomes 2x equals 2. To get the value of x, we divide both sides of the equation by 2. We divide here by 2, divide here by 2. Then 2 eliminate 2 here. And we have that x equals 2 divided by 2. That gives us 1. Therefore, x equals 1 is the value of x that will satisfy this given equation here on the board. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.